There we go, I'm recording now.
I ain't putting it in, I ain't killing nobody.
On our watered down fire.
Ryan, follow the computer screen.
No matter how long it takes, it'll pop.
I don't want to be recording for forever. No light? Light.
Hey.
What kind of can is that? What is it a can of?
Time is.
Hurry up, put it in there.
Okay, go. Back up.
Stuck it right in there, Ghost. Give it a nice snug. Lower it first. Give it a nice heat up.
Yep, fit it in right there.
Ryan, 1, 2, 3.
You put it in there. You better move. Get the fuck out of there, man.
Yo, Alex, move, yo.
Let's go.
Might take a while to heat up.
Woo! It isn't lit yet, bro. What are you saying?
Can't even see the fire.
The heat.
Yeah, that ain't gonna fucking go. Don't blow on it, bitch.
No, it will.
Nah, it'll take too long.
Keep going. It'll take a little bit, but it'll blow.
I can't even see the embers
Horseshit,
on my camera wrap.
Shut the fuck up.
Take it out,
Is that the chair?
start a fire, then put it in.
There you go, just pop.
Yep, I heard it.
You're hearing shit.
Oh
Ooh.
shit.
I won't jump for this one.
No. That means it just
What kind of
expanded.
shit is this?
What? That means
I
it,
protest.
it just expanded. Yeah, if you guys get hurt, it's not my fault.
Went to close that? Holy fuck, bro. I mean, not me and Ryan holding it. Oh, I didn't know this was
My arms are shaky.
There's no one go near until that shit goes off.
Pop. You hear that? You see it? That was crazy.
What?
What?
Holy shit!
Oh!
Yo, turn that hose on quick, Manny.
Don't even.
Oh my.
This sounds loud.
That smells delicious.
Pull my ears up, man.
Turn that hose on.
At least
Not
it
even,
smells
let's get
No,
good.
not for the thing.
Mm.
Let's get this fire.
I heard it crank
This
up.
air is nice and fresh.
Look at what? Was that letter what?
Hey, look, here's the smaller one that blew up. The one we did before.
Right.
Boom.
Yo, it smells sick. Yo, smell that.
Nice and fresh here.
I know, yo.
This is the first thing we blew up.
Yo, it smells like oranges.
I need to talk to you.
Spray
I
bandage.
thought you guys loved
Yeah, but
cars
it's
better
like
than women.
oranges.
Yeah.
Well, depends how often. When's the last time you got it? 2 weeks? That's 1
Yeah,
week
who put
too
poo
late.
in the fire?
So,
Why is there poo right there? Who did that?
Glass.
It looks like, who's, what? No, who put poo in the fire? There's definitely some poop right there.
hold on.
Who threw poo in our
No,
fire?
it's
I know, almost.
It is. It's time. It's a fucking.
Where do you think the can went? I'm gonna look for it.
It's in the fire.
Is it still in there? No.
It's blue, guy.
Don't do what?
Fuck it, y'all. I'm going to bed.
What's not good?
That was the fun. That was the end of the night. The gas going off.
You're smoking on
It's like a Ferrari.
Okay. That's